What's going on YouTube? Today I wanted to show how cheap you can find work trucks for your mobile welding business, and what to look for in a truck. So this right here is a Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Duramax with 300,000 miles on it about, and it's 13 grand. And you always want to negotiate with a dealership or with a private party. I bet I could get them down to 11.5. That's a pretty good deal. So with registration and all that stuff, you're still looking at about 12 grand, but that's not bad for a simple work truck. It's a 3/4 ton, and these older diesels are really nice. I believe this is a 2003. So I mean, that's a good option right there. And then, I mean, carsforsale.com is a great option because you can really filter the results and kind of narrow it down. So right here is you can pick diesel or gas, but here's a 2009 Chevrolet Silverado. It's about 200,000 miles. It's a 3500 1-ton. It's a gasser, so it's the 6.0 V8. It's 7,500 bucks. You could probably talk them down to 7 grand. And this has a service body on it, so it's pretty nice. Has some lights on it, the ladder rack, some toolboxes. It looks like. Looks pretty nice. You could probably fit a welder generator in the back. It has the lights on top. It's pretty nice. Next, you got a 2009. This one's even cheaper. You're probably talking down to 6,800. This one looks like it has a flatbed, which is almost perfect for a mobile welding business. Also has a tow hitch on it, along with some toolboxes and a back rack. And all you really need is a single cab, so this would work perfect for a mobile welding business. And that's not that expensive. Next, going up a little bit in price, this one is I believe this is the Duramax. Yeah, 3500 HD, $10,700, or $186 a month, which really ain't that bad. Very affordable, and you can build your own flatbed. Next, 2008 Chevy Silverado. This is also the Duramax. So you have 13,000, and that also has a service body on it. Not bad. So yeah, just showing what you can get for the price. You can get some decent work trucks for under 10 grand. They'll last you quite a while if you maintain them. It's all about maintenance with these vehicles. Thanks for watching.